Good morning. Welcome to the morning shift with Anne. What's up? I was thinking about negative beliefs, and I thought, we all have these incredible negative beliefs about ourselves that we don't even realize are there until one day we start really becoming aware of our thoughts, and suddenly we realize, oh, I think that about myself. Or, wow, I can't believe I said that to myself. Because when you really start listening to the things that you think are true, that you look at the circumstances and the situations and you think, oh no, this is true, then you're convincing yourself further to stay in the same place. Whereas if we just look into what we want and look more towards how we want to be and what we want out of life, we're going to move closer to that. If we only look at our circumstances and tell ourselves, this is it, this is what I get, I'm poor, I'm fat, I'm not attractive, and we tell ourselves those lies, then we get more of the same. But I think if we just start to just shift it and say, I can make myself more attractive, and I am attractive. Because for whatever reason, you can sit there and list a bunch of stuff. Or you can say, well, I may be heavy, but I'm not, I'm not twice the size of what I am now. So I'm starting from here. And I'm going to do my best to take each moment as it comes and treat myself nicely and improve on what is going on in my life. So I think we just really need to be very cautious about what we are telling ourselves repeatedly and do everything that we can to tell ourselves something better. We are beautiful children of God that deserve love and attention and praise, especially from ourselves. So make sure that you take notice of what you're thinking about yourself and tell yourself something nice. Tell yourself you are fantastic for getting up this morning. I think that every day is a blessing, and we have to get up with gratitude and thankfulness and remember what a blessing it is that we are here to just move through this life and try to create something beautiful and to be a blessing to others. So make sure you have some good talk going in that brain of yours and take a notice of what you are thinking and what you are telling yourself and do some different practices that help you switch that around. Write it out what your good qualities are. Listen to things that change your mind about life in general. There's tons of information out there about ways that you can change your perspective on yourself and your thoughts and on life in general. So do your best to give yourself some compliments today. Tell yourself how fabulous you are, just for getting up, just for making yourself breakfast or making somebody else breakfast. Do something nice for someone else, and that starts to change your opinion immediately because you are kind, you are giving and generous. So you can start with those two statements after you do something nice for somebody else. So I hope that you will just take heed to kindly speak to yourself in a different way. Start changing that negative self-talk to something of value and something that can help you improve and make you feel happier and better and more competent in your life. So I'm just going to leave you with that and just say have a wonderful day and tell yourself how beautiful you are, because you are. And I'll see you tomorrow.